wanted to try this makeup of Xiao Yuan today. Soap as a whole. I think it's kind of smart. Bright and high quality feeling. Match it with a small turtleneck. It is very suitable for us to endorse. Let's try it together. If it is packed, we'll take my last 2 cotton sheets off it. A little flutter. How to wipe and clean it a little after applying. You can apply the base makeup before superimposing a layer of makeup. Is this makeup today? I just want to draw with a little more pressure. So we choose Korean base makeup AI Jing. This is velvet paste. You need to circle it to activate it before using it, or you can blow it in hot air. After activation, you look like this moist feeling. We can just drag it out and apply makeup. Really silky. Do you think it's quite decompressive to use? It's me. Please take a look. This concealer is really visible to the naked eye. After using it, there is basically no flaw here. You don't need to add another layer. And almost no powder. Even now, nose lobes are super obedient. Quickly finish this side too. Take a look at the overall finish. This is the deviation. Matte makeup for matte eyes. It will make your face very white and pointed and flat, but it won't have that silky masquerade. The whole is a slightly integrated peach muscle, and my big dry skin is. It is measured that the powder will not get stuck and tight when you use it. At night, a little outpoint oil. More original sound, but the whole face is still very white and translucent. It's not dark. Who cannot love this kind of white and flawless makeup? I'm not blind, I like to eat this. Start from the cheekbones and use the straps straight to the face. Trim the nose pointy. Then whole. A makeup look is imitation makeup is not protective. Just follow the more suitable for myself. Did you draw it? I basically have parallel eyes in this place on the forehead. The tail is drawn here. Then ours went offline. Still don't bring this smell. I think it's dangerous. Let him go quickly. If you brow, you choose the slope. Brusher smaller would be better. But I'm used to using this. Slowly point out. Then faint out. If you use a brush, you don't need to be natural if you feel dizzy. You can use another puff that's cleaner. One more shot. Gently don't plug it completely. It is more natural to let the whole paste properties grow out. I didn't mention it. I feel like this face is still full. But people are always happy. I still want a little. This one is still a little dry for this season. So we use a puff. The face makeup is also applied hairy. With a puff. Change it after the last time. He piles too much. The eyebrows are thicker. Let's choose a rose pink one first. A little grayed out. Fill them up. Eyebrow pencil, use this gap in the brow again. Outline the eyebrow shape. For a variety of gray and pink eyeshadows, simply apply our double eyelids. Bring out the elongated face shape. Then under eyeshadow here. Spread it all over him a little darker gray pink. Rub our lower eyeliner. The eyes seem to like to look at the eyes alone like this. I feel like there will be more atmosphere, like a black glue pen. Fill in the inner makeup remover. Eyelashes are what I have now. Still use black eyeshadow. Start here at the end of the eye and go down. Do a little... I went to the hospital as my grandson. Black eyeliner. This eyeliner is a little deeper. Highlight Ijio Sao. Take the shaded part of the AGO a little bit in the middle, all the way to the end of this eye. Get back this black eyeshadow. Then choose a brush with a little thickness. Give it a smudge of the whole eyeliner. Look softer. Then brush the lower eyelashes. Then change the eyeballs to this black and gray. But I feel that this one is still slightly larger in diameter. Why is it so high quality? We do full makeup, let's see. Fold this gray pink one. Topically use high gloss powder to set makeup. This is our T-zone. Forehead. You two take a little... This is a pink highlight. Draw a triangle. Because if the nose is pointed, deepen the smile on the nose alone. This V is very obvious. Use this you mentioned from here. A high point is enough, like here. Eye. A little bit of water on the face, use this row. This. A little bit higher on the forehead here. In the north, it is also gray pink. Use this one first. A little too bright for everyone to see.